How to unfriend people on Facebook or delete friend on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unfriend people on Facebook. So unfriending people on Facebook is very simple method, so it will only take a couple of minutes to do it. So make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, be sure that you're logged in. Now open up your Facebook application. As you open up your Facebook application, the interface kind of look like this. Now in order to unfriend people on Facebook, all you have to do is tap on the search icon which is in the top right corner. As you tap on the search icon, right on top you can see a search box. So then you'll have to enter the username or the user ID of the person that you want to unfriend. And in case if you're confused regarding the username or the user ID, just tap on the arrow icon which is in the top left corner. So then tap on the profile icon which is in the top left corner. Once you do that, on the other page you will land inside your profile information. As you enter inside your profile page, just simply scroll down, and then right in between you can see friends. So these are the friend list, which means that these are all the people that is friend on your Facebook. Now in order to find that person that you actually want to unfriend it, what you have to do is just tap on see all friend. Over here you can see that in my case I only have few friends. So in your case, what happens is that you might have a lot of friends or multiple friends. So in order to unfriend the people, what you have to do is just simply look for the person that you actually want to delete it. Now once you find the ID or the profile icon of the person that you actually want to unfriend, what you have to do is just simply tap on the username, and on the other page you will land inside the profile information. Now over here, this is their Facebook page. So what you have to do is right at the bottom you can see three dot icon. So then tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the other page you will land inside profile settings. Now right on top you can see there is friend, which means that this person is currently your friend. Now in order to unfriend it, all you have to do is tap on friends. There you can see there is a drop down menu, and right at the bottom you can see an option called unfriend. So just tap on it. In case if you are sure about deleting this person or unfriending this person, just tap on confirm. Over here you can see that this following person has been removed from your friend list, which means that he or she has been unfriended. If you see this option such as add friend, which indicates that this person has been removed from your friend list or unfriend from your friend list. That is how you can unfriend people on Facebook application. And that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.